In today's video, we explore, are you driving a California lemon? Do you have any legal rights? And how to get your lemon replaced and your out-of-pocket expenses refunded. Let's get started by defining what a California lemon is. No, it's not a juicy yellow lemon. It's a car that, under the manufacturer's warranty, despite multiple repairs, continues to have significant defects that keep you from being able to use your car and keep you safe. Identifying a lemon can be tricky. First, look for persistent mechanical issues and safety concerns. If the problems keep coming back, you might have a lemon on your hands. This is where the California lemon law kicks in. If your car is a lemon, you could be entitled to a refund or replacement. Start by gathering all your car's documentation. Remember, keeping detailed records is crucial. Every visit to the mechanic, the first time you took your car to get it looked at, and any written communication, including texts. Next, contact a lemon law attorney near you who specializes in lemon law cases, or call Consumer Lemon Law to connect you with the right attorney. Your attorney will help you file a claim that involves notifying the manufacturer and arbitration if needed. Persistence and organization are your best allies in this process, so be patient. Keep the lines of communication open with your lawyer and provide all the information required. Many Californians have successfully navigated the lemon law. With the right approach, you will be back enjoying California's highways and driving with confidence. Remember, the California lemon law is here to ensure your drive is smooth and your rights are protected. Drive safe, California.